Openmind Networks is a messaging vendor. We are the fastest growing vendor in this particular market. We have over 50 mobile operator customers and 20 wholesale carriers and aggregators for our advanced messaging platform. The A2P messaging business is driven by the need of enterprises and governments and other organizations to communicate with their consumers. They want high value, high quality connections that secure their consumers' privacy. Only mobile operators can really offer this type of access. In the past, enterprises have had to go through aggregators to get this type of access, but this creates lots of quality problems and also issues around the security of data as it goes through aggregator networks. The mobile operators now need to provide the right type of APIs, GUIs and mobile applications that enterprises need to terminate traffic into their networks. In the past, they wouldn't have had this type of equipment in place. So as they are trying to move up the value chain and target enterprises directly, they do need to invest in their messaging infrastructure so that it provides the right level of APIs and interfaces that the enterprises need. Group operators will have a major role to play in developing the A2P business. What you find is that group operators will have a strong regional footprint, and in many cases there will be large enterprises with a strong footprint in the same region. So it makes sense for these enterprises to talk to the group operator that services their consumers in order to terminate messages into the same market space. So groups can build a central hub where enterprises can connect to in order to service all their consumers across a particular geographic region. The group can also build expertise around A2P monetization and fraud control at these hubs, and in turn provide monetization capability to their opcos. RCS is certainly the future of messaging, but today messaging is still all about SMS. The strategy needs to take account of today's needs for enterprises, but build a pathway to the future. So what operators need to do is to build their propositions today around SMS, but show how their service will migrate to RCS in the future. It's very important that operators don't wait for RCS to dominate the market. They need to move now. So they need to provide SMS-based services now to their enterprise customers and give them a pathway to RCS as it takes over the market.